All right, and after a very hard evidence pair in numbers 12 and 13, we now have an easy question, number 14. So this is why the reading section is the way it is. There's a lot of variation. You can go from hard questions to easy ones. You just got to roll with it. So for this one, we're going to make sure we follow the QLC method. We're going to read the question. We know we're looking for the word common. Now, without looking at those answer choices, I'm going to go to the lines and see what I can figure out about this meaning of this word. So we should always read the full sentence, and it does give us a very important clue word here. It is generally accepted that public knowledge should be authoritative, but there is not always common agreement about what the public needs to know, who is best placed to relate and explain it, and how authoritative reputations should be determined and evaluated. So this sentence has a little bit of symmetry to it. We're talking about what should be generally accepted, but there's not always common agreement. Those two phrases are synonyms. They're being used the exact same way. So if I'm trying to guess a meaning of the word common here, it's something like general, as in general agreement. And so what happens when people generally agree on something? Well, that agreement is widespread. The other words are kind of other versions of the word common, but they're not what we're using it for here. And so this is why we need to go to that line reference first and make sure we have a good sense of what they're saying, because it's not always going to be the most common definition of the word in question. So read the line references.